So today we are going to discuss about this optical fiber splicing. So mainly in this splicing method, we will have a fusion splicing machine, right, and a cleaver and a tweezer, and we have some slips. And as well as we need this alcohol. This alcohol name is isopropyl alcohol along with the tissue. And this striper part is very important in this optical fiber. We will use this striper part to remove the cladding in the ribbon fiber, right? This is called the ribbon fiber. First, what I am doing, just I am removing this cladding to join these two optical fibers. The first method is I am removing the cladding from the optical fiber with the help of striper. So now you can see this. This is the core part of this optical fiber. Just I have removed this cladding with the help of this striper. After removing this cladding, I will clean this cladding with the isopropyl alcohol with a tissue. Once you clean with this, we are going to cut this with the help of cleaver as 90 degrees. Once it is cut, just I will be placing in this fusion splicing machine, where you will find the locker of the first fiber, ribbon fiber. And here in this fusion splicing machine, you will find two electrodes. You have to put this core part of that fiber near to that electrodes, and just you can lock this. So, and we are removing the another cladding from the another ribbon fiber with same color. Once after removing the cladding, and again you have to clean with isopropyl alcohol with the help of tissue. After cleaning this, you have to cut it 90 degrees. Once this is cut, then you place it in fusion splicing machine. It should be near to the electrodes. You are finding there two electrodes, and just lock it. So once we are placed this two ribbon fibers in this machine near the two electrodes, just close this door. And once after closing this, you will find a start button in this fusion splicing machine. You can press that fusion splicing machine start button. You will find that the two core materials are cut at 90 degrees. If you have any fault in this, the machine will display that fault, and we don't have any fault in this. Just I will start, and it is running now, and it will generate a heat of 1700 degrees Celsius to join these two core materials. Once it is done, just look at this loss. It is 0.03 dB. Actually, the loss, standard loss given as less than 0.05 dB. dB is nothing but units of that loss. It is nothing but decibels, right? So now you can see that splice has been done, and you can see this two ribbon fibers has been joined, right? So with the help of this fusion splicing machine, we can join the two core materials, right? So once it is done, you have to put a protector near the core material. This is a sleeve which protects this optical fiber from damage, right? So, but in the practical scenario, before splicing, you have to put this core material sleeve into this cladding material. Wherever the joint has been occurred, or wherever that you have joined the two core materials, in that place you have to place this sleeve. Once after placing this, there is a heater here in this machine. In this heater you have to place this, and you close this door. After few minutes, you will get a notification that this has been joined. So this is alarm of that sleeves is joined into the optical fiber, right? So this is the way how we are joining two optical fiber core materials. This is used for internet connections, as well as nowadays the impact of this optical fiber is increasing day by day. So with this, we have completed our splicing of two optical fiber core materials. So we'll continue in the next class. Please like and share this video to all your friends.